Homemade strawberry soft serve ice cream recipe. An ice cream dessert recipe that is just so easy to make you will be making it daily. Just blend and serve. Ingredients: 2 cup fresh or frozen strawberries. 8 ounces frozen whipped topping like Cool Whip. 1/4 cup sugar. 3/4 cup strawberry juice. Instructions. For the strawberry juice: mash strawberries until very fine pieces. Mix the strawberries and sugar together and let set for about half hour until you have 3/4 cup strawberry juice. Separate juice from strawberries, so you have correct juice measurement. For the ice cream: blend all ingredients in strong blender or food processor until whipped. If mixture is too runny, add 1/4 cup ice and process further. To look more like a creamy whip, transfer mixture to piping bag with star tip and pipe into cups or ice cream cones.